attention now. The Prada team has now arrived in Kolhapur. A team from Prada arriving from Italy met with the artisans crafting the Kolhapuri chappal. This is after the big controversy that had broken out, remember, over Prada using the Kolhapuri chappals as part of its fashion show in Milan. They were priced at over 1 lakh rupees. There was a big controversy with the Indian artisans saying that they were not given due credit. After which, now a team from Prada is currently in Kolhapur. This is after the criticism that they received. My colleague Nilesh is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Nilesh, there was a lot of hue and cry, and rightly so, with the Indian artisans pointing out that their art was taken by Prada without giving any credit. Now that the team is in Kolhapur, what is expected?
Well, yes, Pratibha, this is new into the controversy which was initiated by Prada. For allegedly copying the artisans or the art and culture of Kolhapur, which has been followed for centuries. Prada had termed it as their new collection of leather sandals and had introduced as a new art. However, Kolhapur and Maharashtra has, for centuries, has been producing these products, and to a great surprise, it is also a GI tag own design. And now it is being followed that a 6-member delegation has reached out to Kolhapur, Maharashtra, to have a say with the artisans, local artisans. Now, remember, this was also a demand which was put forth by Maharashtra Commerce and Industries and Agriculture President that the due credit should be given to the artisans, and there could be a possibility that there should be an option that should be explored by a team of Prada, that hand-in-hand work could be done by the local artisans in order to recognize and give respect, due credit to their art that they have been following for generations. So this is coming a new development into the said case, because the team had reached earlier on yesterday and will be staying in Maharashtra for 2 days. The visit would be 2 days. They will be working if there could any possibility that the artisans, local artisans, could be working for Prada and would be getting their due credit.
Okay, all right, Nilesh, thank you for joining us with those details. Credit and perhaps also collaborating with them. This is what the artisans are looking at. Prada team now arriving in Kolhapur. With that, it's time for us to slip into a very quick break here. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.